Hey guys, today I have this really easy St. Patrick's Day nail art look featuring some pretty holographic glitter. And I did pull some inspiration from this user on Instagram, so I'll have her page linked in the description. So let's get to the tutorial. First I applied 2 coats of this linear holo polish from Cupcake Polish, and that takes 2 coats. And to apply the glitter, we're going to use the glitter burnishing technique. So I apply 1 coat of yellow stopper base coat to the top of my green base. And the holo glitter I use today is from Dimension Nails. And the cool thing about this glitter is it's vegan and cruelty free, and it will be in the description below. So all you gotta do is dunk the eyeshadow sponge into the glitter and then start patting it onto the nail. And then gently buff with the eyeshadow sponge. So you're just gonna rub the eyeshadow sponge over the nail, and that's going to help the glitters lay flat so they're more reflective. And once you're finished, you can use a brush to dust off any excess glitter, and there's probably going to be a lot of it. Next, go ahead and add a quick dry top coat and let it dry because we're going to use some tape. And all you want to do with the tape is mark off where you want the belt to be. And just make sure to keep the belt on the thin side. Make sure all the sides are pressed down, and then you can go ahead and fill in inside the tape with black. And while it's still wet, peel off the tape. Once that dries, go ahead and add another coat of top coat. And for the buckle, I use this hollow square stud from Born Pretty store. Now to accent, I take this green polish from Glaze and apply it to my pinky nail, and that takes about 2 coats. And then apply a top coat. And off camera, I worked the word luck with a nail art pen, and I used the same technique in my last video, so you can check that out if you're interested. And finally, on my ring nail, I applied this Glaze gold polish. And once everything is complete, go ahead and apply one more final coat of top coat. But that's it for this one. I really hope you guys like it. It's a bit of an easier one for you guys. And once again, I will link the Instagram page I was inspired by below. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and thanks for watching.